And now, show you some of the things that the truck can do. Almost driving crab-like. And swinging this awesome speed around. Nigel Morris. The Bigfoot 17 monster truck completely sideways. One absolutely awesome machine. Good speed. Counter to the back straight. Now watch this, everybody. Hey, tell that Bigfoot monster truck, that is unbelievable, isn't it? Wow, what a beast it is. And now, ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's hear it for Nigel Morris. Here he is. Nigel, nice to meet you. Come on over if you would. Let's come over here and see some of these people in the grandstand. That was excellent. This is one mean machine, and our monster truck, well, monster truck started in America, and we had great all sorts of stuff going on, and it goes back a little bit in history. It does. It goes back probably 35 years. Exactly, literally 35 years ago, that Bob Chandler at Bigfoot 4x4 in St. Louis, Missouri, decided to bolt a set of those tyres on his own personal daily driver pickup, and monster truck was born. He went to an event that following weekend, and the gentleman doing your job, when he was commentating, said to the crowd, "Wow, everybody, that's one monster of a truck," and they'd be known as monster trucks ever did. Yeah, that really is some machine. This is the size of the tyre. How much it cost one of those tyres? Well, the tyres are 5.5 feet tall, they weigh half a tonne each, and they cost us £1,800 to use to buy. We then have all the tread shaved off so that we can save weight for racing, and then I spend about a week per tyre hand cutting the tread back in, which I just polish some of it off then, I think. That's quite hard work for me. And I was looking at the engine. I mean, that engine in the front there is absolutely huge. Yeah, it's a 9.3 litre Ford Racing Big Block V8. We have a 851 BDS supercharger on the top and 16-port mechanical injection feed and all that. So it's a big powerful engine. It's very similar to the type of thing we find in a drag racing car in some of the lower classes, not top fuel, obviously. And altogether with the Ford Big Blocks, we make about 1,800 horsepower, and it's that horsepower that allows us to do things like the donut there.